pleasant to the people who have different backgrounds. In my childhood, I was dreaming to have friends who live far, far away. I was thinking there would be someone who felt like exactly the same way as me if I looked for all over the world. After many twists and turns, I became a scientist. In the end, I find science is to think about things and people different from myself. At the very beginning of my scientific life, my teacher said, "Could you imagine a mantis feeling? A mantis,
Oh ya, belalang sembah ya. Oke, so mantis, belalang sembah. Cengcorang. Tuh.
Yes, pretend to be a mantis. Mantis is like this and walks like this. But what is this hook for? This hook to eat or to play? But have you ever imagined how a baby mantis come into the world? A baby mantis have small body and small tiny hook. How do they play? If they cannot take food, they will just die. What is it like to be a mantis? This is scientific thinking. Another time, my teacher said to me again, you should read a paper or a book imagining the authors. It is not important whether you are interested in the paper or not, but why the authors are interested in the subject is most important. You should share the feeling first, he said. We adults know we cannot really be someone else, but scientific training is all about empathizing. So, what is the scientific truth? It is a thing between you and me. Let's think about face. Face is distinguishing. You see my face, most among my body parts. This is the symbol of myself. On the other hand, I don't know exactly how my face is moving now, how my face looks now. I don't know. I cannot see. You see me directly, but this is the very thing I cannot see. I have to use mirrors and photographs to see my face. So, which is the true face? The one you see or the one in my mind? A research says the self-image in the brain is by almost 10% more beautiful than the real face. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I think it is because we are posing in front of the mirror sometimes.
Yes.
And memorize this final face in here. So we are beautiful in my mind. Well, it is difficult to fill the gap between you and me. This is a place fiction is born. This is a place where fiction is born. Some people apply facial makeup. Why do they do so? They modify the original face to make an agreeable face among others. This social face is like a puppet. It's not me, not you, but the bearer of reality. This face includes our best use and our sadness. One very dark night, I did one thing. On the narrow street, just a moonlit, I sat down with my friend. With a distance, we could see each other's face faintly in the darkness. I told them to walk away if they thought so, something in here. In advance, I had decided to make a smile in the darkness. felt exactly the same as the same as me. But now I think, what kind of place on the planet I can make among people like here, among beautiful people. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ayako.